Okay, so I need to close that. So that okay, hold on. I need to quickly set something up in my stream deck. Just give me 1 second. So I need to just have a button I can press that will just let me hide VS. VS Code. VS Code. And I want to... Well, it's not going to be that one now, is it? It's going to be this one, and then it's VS Code. Cool. Perfect. So let me just press the button. Boop, 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 boop. Cool. There we go. So yeah, I've got a few things I want to get done tonight with this. But I also will need to be able to... You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to hide VS Code, and I'm just going to get the names that I named all my things. So, do that. Then all I need to do now is... It's because there's passwords in here. So, like, I've actually got to be careful with this stuff. Luckily, I'm actually smart and I name my variables like something that actually makes sense. Okay, I can unhide it now. I just need to close the login file. Yeah, I like to define everything like for logins in a specific file, and it's normally called login. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing here, like at all. I actually need to get up the I need to get up the docs for this first. Introduction. First thing I just want to do is I just want to do a simple query. First, we must create a query client instance. Okay, so I need to do... Might as well do this at this top, I think. And then I'm guessing this just needs to be my Minecraft server, so I need to do that. Okay. So it would just be this then? Query client is not defined. Do I need to do... From MC Tools import query client? Okay, so I need to actually work it like that. Okay. This is what I mean by I don't know Python. I can just like struggle my way through it. Okay, now that I've got that, can I just do a... Wait, isn't it, is... I need to remember, is Python print actually? Yeah. So if I just do that, and then... Sex. Should need to find that there. Let's just see what this does. Because I did send a keyboard interrupt and never... This is taking much longer than I was hoping it would take. All I want it to do is... It seems it gets to here and it just keeps reading, so... Okay, so I just want... I'm going to change this to get... Is it just get full stats? Get full stats, okay. So I'm going to want the full stats, so let's do this. Uh-huh. Oh, it's going into a dictionary, okay. Yeah, so I just want to... If I do this and just print... I'm just gonna print map. So what is it? I just define it as stats. Let's just go and... Oh, like this should just work. Okay. I need a little bit I need a little bit of info other than that. You know what? We'll come back to this. Okay, so what am I gonna do? Here's what we're gonna do, okay? Did I just send a simple... No, I want to get the information from the server. That's what the query should be for. So I should just be able to go into query. MC tool gives you the ability to retrieve server statistics via them. I wonder, because I use in different port. Hold on, let me see. Is this like listed here? Okay. Okay. This is... We're gonna undo everything that we just did. So what we're gonna do is host. Is it just yeah. Host is that. Host is not defined. I think it is defined. And port is Minecraft server query port. Okay. Let's just see what happens when I try to run this. Invalid syntax. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong one. I want this one. You know, I should print to make sure this is coming in correctly. It's going to crash, but it's going to be fine. Valid syntax. Of course. Fine, we'll do that then. Okay, it's definitely pulling it in. I don't care if I show this because this IP is a local IP. It doesn't matter if you guys see that. Okay, so that is definitely correct. Really? Did the music just stop? Oh, did I forget to loop it? Oof. I don't know why. I've been on a snowy vibe recently. Okay, so... So, query... query client. Do I have to do that way around? Or is it... It might be... No. Let's just do that, see what happens. See, I just don't know what I'm doing. Oh shit, we're in the mainframe now, boys. Hacker music. This is definitely not hacker music. This is definitely me not knowing what I'm doing and struggling. Did I? Is this not working because I was an idiot? If I wasn't, that would be classic if I was an idiot. I'm actually having to boot up Minecraft at the moment to make sure the server client is alive. Because that'll be faster than me actually opening a terminal and going in. I swear to God, if this is all because I forgot to fucking do that, I'm going to, like, cry. Okay, Minecraft is taking ages. That actually might be faster just to build up a terminal. SSH. I did say start. What's the status? Active and running. Open up another shell. Another terminal. Okay. Then I need to do... Definitely running. Oh, what's this? There is stuff in here. 2026. That's not me. Modify constant conflict. Skipped in connectivity mixins JSON client customer payload load packet max from mod connectivity. Priority 1 already redirected by the... Okay. Let me just put this over here. Yeah, so I know you can't see what I'm doing, but this is fine. I don't want to have to quickly set this up to just quickly tear it down, but it's definitely there. I'm definitely logging into it. Yeah, definitely exists, and it's raining because of course it is. So that's fine. That doesn't matter. So why is this not working? I'm gonna execute it again. Server's having no reaction to it. Okay. Like, it's just getting stuck on line, whatever line this is right now. Yeah. get into line 7 in module, then what does it mean by challenge? Do I have a password on this that I don't realize that I do? And I need to open up server properties. And then server properties is not in fucking order, which is really nice. Okay, so it should be enabled. Time to hide my screen for a sec. I am definitely using... Yeah, that's the correct port. Correct server IP. Okay. I'm going to change this back to get basic stat. So can I just do query get challenge, then do print. I'm going to actually store this as pp. Yes, I am extremely yeah. Right, so where are we locking up at the moment? We're locking up on line 6. Oh shit, do you know what it'll be? It'll be firewall related. So I've got an extremely strict firewall on this server. Sudo ufw. Sudo ufw list. It's trying to make a Discord bot, ends up taking down the Middle East power grid. Yeah, that's what's happening here. That's what I'm going to be doing. Status and verbals. Huh? How's if I type sudo and not sufu? Yeah, I don't have oh, I need to write a rule for this, and it's UDP. Okay. Do I need to define this as UDP? I don't think I do. I think as long as I'll let sudo allow. Oh, fuck. I hate having to write firewall rules. UFW add rule SSH local, and I'll just replace SSH with the port number that I need. I genuinely hate doing firewall stuff in Linux. Okay, so necessary cookies only. I don't care. Okay, and that's fine. Okay, sudo allow. Okay, sudo ufw allow from 192.168.1.0 slash. Shouldn't it be 24, not 16? Is it slash 16? To any port. What's the port number? I have it written down in my login file. Because I'm smart. I bet this is why it's failed every single time, because I forgot firewalls exist. Rule changed after normalization, rules added. Okay, status verbose. Okay. So now, what happens when I run it? Don't think any of this is going to dox me. Yeah, it's just... So this is on... Oh yeah, of course it's on 205. It's my fucking pie hole. What am I thinking? 205. Will this do anything now? Nah, it's still not running. And that's... Do I need to define it as UDP? This is why I hate firewall. Working on firewalls. Uncomplicated firewall. I mean, it is not super complicated, but... Yes, this should work. So it can't be the firewall then. Yeah, socket timeout. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to just abandon this at the moment. We can come back to that, but what I want to do then is... I guess it's just going to be like Archon or something, but if I can do... Archon client. Because I can do... If I can send a simple thing via the Archon into Minecraft, like just get it to say something, then I can at least tell that that's working. But I'm probably... Yeah, I'm going to definitely have to do more... more firewall stuff here in just a second. Bring this up. Okay. But I also want to just force it for 205 as well. Okay. Then close the login file. Boom, boom. That there is actually like some data in there that I can't leak. Because if I do, I have to like go quickly change something. Let's just do a simple Archon thing. Okay, so Archon client, Archon, Archon. So I want to do this, but the Archon client will be on Minecraft server IP. So, okay. Archon can only be used if the server has on, yep. Luckily, I have saved this into a variable. It just passes that. We know these are working because we tested them earlier. For passwords used to authenticate. Function will return true for success, false for failure. Most servers will require you to specify a password before you can send commands. So I actually want to do then a print of auth. If we can just get that to display, then I think we'll be good. And it's not working. I don't use default ports. I can tell you that for a start. Okay, so do I need to do comma port equals port number is this? Does this work? Will this fix my problem? False. That's different though. Okay. Okay, so success, Archon login, password, where password is the password used to authenticate. The function will return true for success and false for failure. Most servers require you to specify a password before you can send commands. By default, Archon client will raise an exception if you attempt to send. You mean simple but extreme. For me, this is extreme, but this is how you learn shit. You have to step outside your comfort zone. Archon. I need to wrap the password in... Okay, what does this say? Me stepping outside my room. Yeah. Enables remote access to the server console. I know. It's not recommended to expose Archon to the internet because Archon Pro... Yep. That's why it's not exposed to the internet. What would happen if I printed off the success here? So just going to... Yeah, just... Okay, so this is not working for some reason. Okay, that's a new problem. But it's a step forward, which is all that I care about right now. Where is the Archon password? Broadcast Archon to ops, that's fine. Archon enabled, Archon password. Oh shit, I think that's an escape character. Oh shit, I can't use that password. And that's gonna require a restart of the server, fuck. Right, I've removed the character that I think was causing the issues. And then I need to exit and I need to restart the server. Where was my last system? Yeah, there it is. Okay, that's fine. While that's restarting, I'll quickly update the login. Which would have worked fine if I wasn't doing other things with it. And while the server's rebooting, I need to do this. Scripts loaded, okay. So I want to now change it to check to see if off is good. I'm right now just copying and pasting stuff off the docs just to try and get a connection. After that, I can like actually start doing what I need to do. Because the whole point of this is so that someone who's invited doesn't actually need me to whitelist them. That's all that this is for. So what I need to do is essentially have a bot on Discord that they just do a / command / whitelist. Have that bot then check to make sure they've got the correct role on Discord. And then at the end of the / command, they need to put their Minecraft username. And then I'll save that against whose Discord account it is in case there's a mistake and I can go back and revert things. That's all that this is for. That's what this entire thing is for. But... Yes, we're connected! It was an escape character! Let's go! Okay. That's fine. So how do I actually interact with the Archon? So I just send, like... You may now send Minecraft commands to the server like this. Do I have to do response equals Archon command? Can I just not do Archon dot command say pp poo poo? Okay, so I'm going to save that. But what I'm going to do is I still have Minecraft open here. So I'm going to open up Minecraft. I'm going to add a game capture. Game capture. Specific window because it's not full screen. Okay, so we can see Minecraft here. We know that the code is going to output pp poo poo. So if this is correct, and it put out pp poo poo, we have a connection. Let's fucking go. I solved it. I solved it because it was a password issue. But yeah, there we go. So we also know our firewall rules are working as well, actually, because of that. Perfect. So all I need to do now is exit. I thought I was in a terminal for a second. That's not what I need to do. Okay. Round of applause. I can copy and paste from documents. No, but this actually gives me what I need now. So I'm gonna have to get this to read from somewhere. So right now I'm just gonna have a bit of thing here. Just say read whitelist request, I guess. But Archon dot command will be I think it's fine if I just do whitelist space plus, then I'm gonna need a variable here. So whitelist user name equals, and then I'll just give it a dummy to begin with. Can I actually just type no? Will this work? No. I'll just put my username. It's fine. I get around this by being an admin. So because I'm on the op list, I don't need to worry about the whitelist. I just skip that. So even if I bug out, oh yeah, I need to wrap in quotations. I also need to stop mixing my quotation types because that is really annoying. I should be using single quotes. Okay. So we don't actually need that now. But what I do want to do is I actually want to do, I'm going to do Archon off equals Archon dot is authenticated. And then before we run the command, I'm going to do Archon, I'm going to if Archon off equals true. Do I have to type then and no. Okay, I forgot how to do if statements in Python. Oh yeah, cool. Oh no, I still need that. We do that. We indent here by 1. I don't need an end if. That really fucking annoys me. But what I'm gonna do is else. Is it just else? Okay, but I do need this. Right now I'm just gonna have it print not authorized. Why are you inconsistent list of tabs and huh? I hate the fact that it's automatically putting in spaces and not tabs. Use tabs by default, please. I hate spaces. I detest that. You're using 4... So if it's an ASCII, you're using 4 fucking bytes to store that when you could just use 1 byte to store that. Like, efficiency starts there. I know it literally doesn't fucking matter, but I care. Is it double equals for comparison? Yeah, it's double equals for comparison, okay. So, yeah. I should probably wrap the Archon bit here in its own connect Archon. So at least then, so could I just do... Will this fix it? No. Oh, I think that fixed it, but why is this equals? Statements must be separated by new lines or semicolons. Oh, okay, so I see what I gotta do. I see what I gotta do. So I need to do that. So I need to split it into 2 lines essentially for each variable. That's fine. So copy this, paste it here, delete this, and then do the exact same here. Because I need to be able to access these variables in no matter what function I'm in. So I need to make them global, I guess. I was thinking about public-private variables there because that's the last time I used this kind of stuff. For stuff like that. Yeah. Anyway, normally when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and can only be used inside that function. To create a global variable inside a function, you can use a global keyword. Yep. Also use a global keyword if you want to change a global variable inside a function. Huh? Oh, okay. I see what it means. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Because the whole point will be to connect to Archon and then to disconnect when needed. Actually, I need to see how to disconnect. When I'm done, I would like to disconnect, so I'm not, because it's TCP. So okay, so then I just do archon.stop. Okay, so we're just gonna do archon dot. Is it just dot stop? Yeah, dot stop. That feels so weird, just having a function for one thing, but it means that anything I need to do, I just can do it all up here. Because once I'm done with this, no matter if it actually runs or not, I do not care. Right. So what I need to do now is bring up the server console. So I'm going to see this here. Actually, you know what? We'll experiment on Shikibu. He already has access. I can fix anything if it breaks, but I don't want to break my own. How do you unwhitelist? I want to unwhitelist Shiki and then re-whitelist him. Unwhitelist Minecraft. Again, he's an op, so he can just... Oh, it's... I forgot to add. That's what it is. It used to be slash whitelist and then just the name, but now it's... Yeah. What I'm going to do is... I'm going to get it to say... this. Because if it says that, then... Okay, so it is going through correctly, and it is appearing in the Archon thing here. Do I just not see it when I'm doing stuff? Hey Zevo, what's your Minecraft username if you're still there? You're getting whitelisted either way, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, he's in League of Legends. He's playing ARAM. Oh god, that's cringe. Okay, I've just removed Shiki from the whitelist. Added Shiki to the whitelist. Okay, because he was already on the whitelist, it wasn't showing me. Okay, that's fine. So this works. I'm going to actually rename this command to whitelist add. And also for reasons, I'm going to have a whitelist remove option. And that's going to be whitelist... the command is whitelist remove. But I'm going to change this name to... I'm actually just going to leave it like that. Okay, so that's good. That's all the functions really that I need. Will I even need to do that? Because the whole point of this will be to have another Python script to call this one. So will I need to actually even... I don't think I will. Because main.py is what's really going to control everything, because I like calling everything main dot whatever it is. It just means it's easy if I need to launch it, I just know what the command is. So that's fine. I guess we can try the client stuff now? The query stuff, I mean? That wasn't working. Hash query related. Actually, I should do query connection at the top of the Archon connection. define connect query. And then I'm going to do another define this connect query. And I'm going to have, again, I need to make this, I'm just putting a word in there so I know where it is. And then def query test. I'll probably rename it. So, okay. So let me just close all of this because I don't need any of this anymore. So once again, it's I'm just going to use the same things here. So query.query client from MC tools import query client. So once again, I'm going to guess I just need to do this, but I replace the port with query port instead. Okay. And I need to also global this. Global. Okay, and then what you really need to do then is query dot start and query dot stop. Again, don't want to remain connected if I can avoid it. And then the test for query is just going to be query equals oh, I need to do connect query query equals not query equals query dot get full stats, and we're going to put that on full stat equals query get full stats, and I'm going to do print full stat full start full stat, and then I will do disconnect query. I think it has to be at the bottom of file for it to work in bound method query client get. Is that just the print? Can I put in a breakpoint and we'll actually... Yeah, this doesn't seem to work. At least I don't know how to use breakpoints in this. So what's the format of the dictionary? I'm gonna just guess it to spit out the max players. So is it get max players? Will this spit something out onto the query test? Do I need to wrap it in this, maybe? Nope. Do I just do this? Method object is not subscriptable. Nope. Oh my god. If I could just inspect. If I could just inspect what this has. If I could just step through it and see what that variable had, I could probably figure it out from there. You know what? Let's try that, actually. Let's not even try to access this. Let's see if it's a me issue. Seven. Okay. So it works when I do it in here. Seven. Seven. No, that's fine. I figured it out at least. Why does this work now? Huh? What did I change? I just changed the name of it. Why does it have to be named stats? Oh, wait, it needs to be named... Wait, no. I don't get this. That's fine. I don't care. It's working now. I'm getting the information. So now I need to connect to the server to make sure I appear on this list. So execute it again. Boom. What's this slash here though? Oh, is that just like an escape character? Like just to mark the end. Yeah, she's on mobile, so I can't even ask him to join on his account. Waiting for this ad break to end. Pog ads. I like ads. Just subscribe or use Twitch Turbo. It's that easy. I'm saying that. I don't genuinely mean it. Let's find it funny. Okay, so we've got this working now. Oh yeah, because it must be a terminate. Like some kind of escape. Yeah, but I don't. The only real thing I care about in this is current players. And I can't really test this unless it's in a live environment, so query get players, I guess. So we're gonna do stats, and I wanna get players. Okay. Oh yeah, because query test doesn't exist anymore. I need to change that to that. Name, players is not defined. Players is defined. But this is why I don't... Python is so painful to look at. I know. Where the fuck are my semicolons? The problem is I've worked with Python so much now, when I actually have to use a real language, I forget my semicolons. But I hate indentation mattering. It annoys me. There's a lot of things in Python that annoy me, but it's like the easiest thing to use to get what I'm trying to do, so... So I need to do... player should equal stats dot get... No, dot get into this, and then it should just be... then players. I'm pretty sure it's not capital. I should probably name it something like that. Unhashable types list. Stupid. Okay. As long as I can get the player names out, but I don't know what the format's going to be for this. I don't know how this works. So I don't... And without having like multiple people in the server, I can't really test that. So I will have to end get players here. I am going to move this down to here to stop that. We don't need that anymore. Okay. So that should be that, I think. Because what else am I going to really want to do other than those two things? The only other thing I want to know is if the server is up or not. I guess what it can do is just attempt to connect to Archon, and if Archon fails, then it'll know. But that doesn't seem like the best way to do it. So we connect Archon and then we use the variable Archon off. So if Archon off equals false, then I'm just gonna do a print right now and be like, oh I know it won't be false. Oh no, it would throw an exception. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Get server status. Get server if up. Fake var equals fake var. To do add functionality. Oh, how would you do that? I'm just reading the docs at the moment. Really something that simple? Assume not. Hmm. Oh, actually, this would be the server. Okay, I can actually interact with it as if it was the server. Uh, so I should just be able to do. Do need an M client for that though, but that's fine. No, it's about to be used. It's been imported, so I can actually use it. So I just need to do m client dot ping client. So again, we just use the same one from here. Except from I think we use the game port. Yeah, we use the game port for this one, which is fine. Port will equal that. But what does it return? Let's just see. Probably print this. Server ping should equal that. Print server ping. Wait, what does this actually return? Oh. This is not actually going to return anything unless I do ping client dot get stats. Should probably rename this to ping server. No. Oh, what did I do? Keep things consistent. Keep things consistent. Let's keep things consistent. So then we do call ping stats equals ping.client.get stats. Okay. And then we can print this. What happens? Bound method. Oh, God, I'm an idiot. I forgot the thing. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to stop the server, see what exception it throws me and what line it throws the exception, and then handle the exception as it being offline. I think that's the way to handle this. So, stop. Sudo password. Okay. I've got another terminal up. That's what I'm doing it. Okay, so it should be down now. So what does it do? Connection refused error. Connection refused. How do I handle this? Connection refused. I think I might need to fix this in a second. Okay, so... Okay, so do I just try this? Break. Accept. Value error? Nope. Break outside of a loop. Okay, I don't care then. No, okay. Like, it's going to fail its connection. What bot are you making? I am making a bot right now to whitelist someone when they have a specific role on a specific Discord server and they request it. I am doing the Minecraft side of it at the moment before I tackle the Discord side, which will be more complicated. And I have no idea what I'm doing, because the very last thing I need to do on this is check to see if the server is online, and I don't know how to do that. Sounds intense. This is how I learn. This is kind of stuff I do off stream. I learn by breaking things over and over and over again until I finally get it right. But I don't get it. I don't get it. What does this do? Out of curiosity, I'm gonna just comment this out. What is it? Control K, Control C? Yeah. Control trick. Yeah. So we have m client dot base client. But yeah, this base. Yeah, this doesn't. There's no point in doing that because that's not going to make sense. I'm just going to move on to my other screen in case. No, that's not going to help. all the exceptions just... I don't get this. All I want to do... That's fine, I don't really care about this kind of stuff. Okay, so... Yeah, that's fine, that's... Oh my god, there's a tutorial. Am I stupid? Yes, I am. Okay, unlike other clients... How do you handle something like this? So I actually need to uncomment all of this. Control K. No, that's not going to help. Control Shift P. Remove line comment. Control U. Okay. Let me just do this again. Just double check. Yeah, error 111 connection refused. That's fine. I expect to get a connection refused, and it's on line 78, 75. Okay, so it's this one here that's actually failing. Okay, I can maybe use this to my advantage. Let me bring the docs back up. Sorry, after rereading the docs, it made a bit more sense. Is this my print command? No. It's not. It stops when this fails. I don't want it to stop. Do I just try another try? Try this. Did I just put this in the wrong place? I did it! 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 I fixed it! I fixed it! Let's go! I've only spent like 15-20 minutes trying to do this. Let's go! I was working on the wrong line the entire time. It's fine. Okay. So right now I just want to print that. What I'm going to do here is set a variable. I'm going to set it as true here, but if it fails, I wanted to do ping client server down, server up equals false. Okay. And then I can start an if statement here. So if ping client server up equals true, then print server status up. Wait, yeah, it's that. Else if Python. Yeah. Why is it ELIF? Why is it not else if? Oh my god. ELIF ping client server up equals false. Print server status down. And then do another nice else here, print. And this else is print shit broke. This should never trigger. Okay, so it's detecting that the server's down. Okay, that's good because the server is down right now. So if I now do start and then I do this part, no, that's not what I want to do. Go away. Why is it not? There it is. Okay, it's fine. Server status should still be down. Still down. That's fine. See, I don't know when it'll go to up. Index out of range. 989, 77. Server status up. I literally hit it as it was loading. Okay, so can I do a second accept here? Cool. So there we go. That is every single function I need this bot to be able to do. Check if the server's up. Check the players. This is an incomplete one, but I can't actually go through that at the moment. Remove people from the whitelist. Add people to the whitelist. That's all it needs to actually do. Right, time to do the Discord stuff, because I should probably just have Discord in discord.py and then just use main to kind of like boot everything up. Here's the problem. See, when I'm like talking about this kind of stuff, I do hand motions, and that's really annoying. I'm a VTuber. You don't see hand motions. Oh god. Okay. Right. Well, detached from that terminal. That's fine. The server can keep running now. I don't need to mess with it. I'm just going to connect to it, make sure everything's running correctly, because I've like shut it down and put it up for like 5 times. Just so you guys can see. Server's there, blah, blah, blah. Hog. So this is working fairly well, I think. Okay. Now for the bit that I'm like not confident on at all. I don't even... Okay. Need to hide my screen for a sec, because this... I really cannot afford to leak this. I can leak that, but I can't leak the, I cannot afford to leak the other thing in the file. Like, this Discord token, I cannot afford to leak that. Well, I can, but I have to go in and instantly fucking undo it, which is really annoying. Okay, so do this again. Okay, from Discord. What? Oh yeah, you have to do this like in a weird way. Do I need time OS random date time? I'm not going to import something if I do not need it. Right, now, this is something I am not exactly confident with, because it's stuff that I am completely and utterly unfamiliar with. So I am in complete... What's this? Cross post from Majora's Mask Randomizer. If you're using Project 64 build 1.60 lore, you should move away from using this build of the emulator as soon as possible. Yeah, because of an ACE exploit or an RCE exploit. It's not really remote code execution, that's just arbitrary code execution. Yeah, that's more ACE. Yeah. The exact same thing happened with ZSNES, so... Oh wait, that's an old one. Hold on, that's not what I was looking for. Fun times ahead, version 8.1 of the OOT randomizers here. Let's go! While this is mostly a bug fix release, it has a few exciting new features. As always, full release notes can be found on the wiki. Can I just copy that link? Copy a link. We're going to take a little break so we can look at the updates to OOT randomizer. Let me just add a window capture. It's only going to be for like a couple of minutes, so I don't really care too much about this. New features. Minor items in big/gold chests have been compared to a multi-select. We've been using that for months. Oh wait. Shuffle wonder items allows shuffling items that refer to as wonder items. These items are obtained through a few ways. Invisible items which drop when the link touches them, such as the rupees above. Oh, okay. Okay. Clear hints options now provide clear... Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Hold on, let me just put that there. There we go. Removing small keys from a dungeon with key rings and key rings give boss keys enabled will open the boss door instead of giving the player the boss key. Oh, okay, I get what they're trying to say. Silver rupee pouches set in not being hidden when silver rupee pouches mode is set to random. Fix an issue in co-op hint distribution which causes seed generation failures for some settings. Fix a bug which causes map encompasses give information to fail when the logic is set to glitched. I thought they were redoing glitched logic completely. Put a band-aid on a soft lock which occurs when collecting a shuffled silver rupee on the ladder in the bottom of the well by disallowing silver rupees on this location. What ladder in bottom of the well? I can only think of one ladder and I can't think of an item actually being there. Maybe it's a Master Quest thing? No, it would say bottom of the well Master Quest. You can no longer wear the bunny hood while turning adult, then save and reset before leaving temple time to... Oh, that's fine. We'll just continue doing... Okay. Yeah, that's fair enough. Oh, you can now use custom music on the web version. Pog. 8.0 didn't receive an offline release due to some nasty bugs. Yeah, I've been using it offline this entire time because I just compile. It's not even compiling it. I literally just run python GUI.py and it just opens it because that's how Python works. But yeah, cool. Yeah, I don't really agree that 2B is an automaton, like, at all. But I cannot show that on Twitch. That is definitely against Twitch TOS. Okay, alright. Back to what we were doing. So this is something that I do not understand at all, but we'll do what we can. Yeah, because it's this async and await syntax. I don't know what this means. I don't know how this works properly. So import Discord app commands. I am actually just going to use someone else's code for this one. Oh shit! Hey Sheena, how's it going? How was your stream? Before I started streaming, I saw you were playing what you call it, Helldivers. How was that going? Let me just quickly do this. We're here to see pain. I've just spent a bunch of time doing pain in this, but this is now all working and all the way I want it. We're here for the code suffering. Yeah, luckily, this is why I put the word learning right at the start. This way no one can judge me for when I'm bad. And just looking at things and like, well, I don't even know what this means. But yeah, so that's what's going on here. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use a bot on Discord to whitelist players on a Minecraft server for me. So that's what we're doing today. That's what we're trying to do. And I've already got the whole Minecraft side pretty much set up. At least all of this is working. I still need to get the stuff to pass between the two, but we'll worry about that later. But right now, that was loud. That was really loud. Let me just turn that down a little bit. Also, thank you for the follow, Revi Vixen and Miguru33. Hopefully you had a good time in Sheena's stream. And, okay, yeah, sure. I will eventually do that as well and do what I've been saying I was going to do for the last, how many years at this point? How many years has it been? 2 years, and actually automate that? But yeah, I've just started onto the Discord side of things, so I need to read the docs for this library to even remotely know where I'm starting. And that is what I'm currently doing. Because I'll bring this over. Like, this is just an example of something, and I need to figure out how this works, I think, to get to the point where I can understand what I'm trying to do. But yeah, like, I don't know this. I don't know async stuff. This is all confusing to me. I don't know. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. But while I'm reading it, I'm not showing it just because, one, I don't want to have it zoomed in at 200%. Copy and pasting from Stack Overflow? No! This is GitHub! I'm even more basic than Stack Overflow. No, I want to go through this to, like, see how this is done and then read the docs and try to understand it. Oh god. Right, where was I? I was literally just starting to read it as you as you sent the raids. Right. So replace with your guild ID. So guild ID would be this. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter if I show the guild ID, and if I do, that's the guild ID. I'm gonna double check. Is that actually a bad thing to show the guild ID? Can I do anything with a Discord guild ID? I don't think there is anything you can do with a guild ID. Nah, we ball. We keep it like this. I don't. I think what would allow people to do if they knew what the ID was to get like the avatar URL, maybe how many users are in. Yeah, I think it's probably fine. Oh well. I'll keep an eye on the welcome channel just to be safe. But yeah. Guild ID is this. And I actually am going to care about a channel ID as well. Copy channel ID. Channel ID. Those two things are what I'm going to probably need. So how does Discord PY work? Okay. Okay, yeah. Really, all I've got to go on is that I closed it, didn't I? God damn it! I closed it because I went searching for the guild ID stuff and I forgot. I'm dumb. I guess quick start's not going to help. Yeah, quick start will get me connecting and able to post, but it's not going to do that much. So I could easily just copy and paste. Like, wow, I can do that. And wow, message content true. Client intents is a tense. Client. We've connected as client.user, client.event on message, client.run, and I just get my token, and my token is under this one, and put my token here, Control C, Control V, and then if I was just to run it, which would be discord.py, wait. Yeah, so now if I do that, oh wait, what's wrong? Line 1 module. Import. Did I not import it correctly? Am I just that stupid right now? That I just cannot import? Should be installed. There it is. Okay, this is I'm really not sure what's going on. So I'm gonna delete all of this out. I'm gonna delete this as well. And I'm gonna do this, import Discord. Discord intents, default intents, message content true. Discord client intents, client event. We've logged in as client user, client event, client client run. I need to use the Discord token, which is that. This should just work. Oh my god! It's because the file's called discord.py. And then I just need to type in hello. Hello. Is it dollar hello? Okay. So it actually has to be dollar hello. Okay, so We're connecting. I'm just a big dumbass. That's all. But that's fine. Okay, so I don't need to really care too much about this. So that's fine. So control S that. See, this is why you read the docs. I'm also going to change the music. We've been on Snowhead now, Snow Peak, sorry, for like an hour. It's like nice, relaxing, but I want something different. Yes, 12 hours on loop. Honestly, I don't mind listening to it 12 hours in loop. Chat probably does. And that's a bigger concern. Okay, so I don't care about this. Okay, now we've made the bot, we have to run the bot. Yeah, so that's fine. We've ran the bot. That's fine. So let's look at the examples, because other than that, it's just like a reference list for the API, and when you have no idea where you're starting from, this is probably the best thing that I can do. So I will actually have to copy and paste code here, but that's fine. So Control K, Control C. So we're going to do we need a Discord object ID will equal the command. Oh, actually, no, I don't need to make it command. I just need to make it this. Okay. That's fine. And then we need to a class. My client. I'm going to really basically just copy this. Discord dot client. See, it's like, what does this mean? Like, I'm just actually gonna copy and paste it. Like, what does this mean? Command tree is a special type that holds all application commands state required to make it work. This is a separate class because it allows the extra state to be opt-in whenever you want to work with the application commands. Your tree is used to store and work with these. Note, when using commands.bot instead of discord.client, the bot will contain its own tree instead. What do these words mean? Oh. Okay. So in this basic example, we just synchronize the app commands to one guild. Instead of specifying a guild to every command, we just copy over our global commands instead. By doing so, we don't have to wait up to an hour until they're shown to the end user. This copies the global commands over to your guild. Okay. So we then need to do... I'm actually just going to copy and paste all of this code and then just read it through and change it to be what I need it to be while reading it to try and understand what I'm doing here. So intents equals discord.intents. Yep, we already know that. Client, my client, intents. That's fine. Client.event logged on as, yeah, that's a print command. Client key command says hello. Hi, interaction with user mention. Client key command. This is the first value you want to add something to. Oh. This is... I should probably just run this, see what it does, and then go from there. Adds two numbers together. The renamed decorator allows us to change the display of a parameter in Discord. In this example, even though we use text to send in the code, the client will use text instead. Note that other decorators will still refer to it as text to send in the code. Wait, where's token? Oh, my tokens. I need to actually put my token in there. So let's just do this. I'm going to do that. Run it. Line 12. Line 12. Okay. Line number 75. Oh yeah, that's something I've not imported, so we're just going to remove this one. Okay, logging in. Yeah, so I'm in a Discord server right now, and it's output. Okay, it's outputting. PP poo. Okay. So we have currently 3 commands. We have add, hello, and send. So that's yeah. So really, what I want to do, I just wanted to send something really. So this menu command only works on members. So oh, okay, so I can do that. Okay. Wait. Oh wait, yeah, you need to right click on the person then. Okay. That's actually really handy. That's a really nice feature to have. Is this down to the second? Oh yeah, I can't edit someone else's messages. It's weird because I'm called Palmtop on Discord and this is called Palm World and it's like, shit. These are really similar. Okay. Then go apps, report to moderator. That crashed it! Oh, okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's I think the last one anyway, so let's just control C this. Let's just kill that. It's clearly not fully functional, but we'll remove as much of this as possible. So we're just gonna call this whitelist equals whitelist your Minecraft account. Interaction, Discord interaction text. Why did I call it whitelist? Okay, so try and clear command. I think. Okay, so we're not actually going to be. How do I get the user that invoked command? I don't care enough. Actually, no. Fine. User. Okay, so send interaction whitelist string. So plus whitelist onto the end like that. I'm going to just do a control C on this. Control C, control S. Waiting for it to boot up. Slash. Okay, it's still called slash send. Oh, it's probably here. Okay, that's fine. So it's pulling in the stuff correctly. It's just not doing what I want it to do. That's fine. So all I need to actually do with this, I'm going to just delete everything else out that I do not need. So what we really need to do here is oh, how do you do this again? Python call function from another file. How do I call a function from my... Yeah. Necessary cookies only. First import function from file.py. Do not write .py when import. Let file... So do I just need to do, I guess, from Minecraft, import star, and then do I just use the same, so would I just do whitelist that? But that is the name of something in this file, so what whitelist add is the function, okay. And I'm actually going to put something in here. I'm just going to put username. And then whitelist username should instantly... So that's fine. I should just be able to put username here. Control C that. And I'm actually going to print whitelist username here. Just to make sure it's working. Go back over to the Discord bot here. It's whitelist add. We'll call this whitelist Discord name. Just so it's got its own name. Do that. Pass that through. And if this works the way I think it does, if I run the bot now, unknown parameter given whitelist. Where? Line 48. I use the term whitelist here. Oh, do you know what it probably is referring to? I probably need to do Minecraft. Huh? No, it's not worked. Let's just import. Do I just import Minecraft? Like, do I just import the entirety of Minecraft? And pass that through like that? Unknown parameter given whitelist. Don't care about that. Commands.py extract parameters from comma. Don't. Okay, let's start from the top. Line 48, which is this line once again. I'm just gonna do that. Does that fix the problem? No. That doesn't fix the problem. Okay, so that's not the problem. Okay, so when you break something, I'm gonna go back to seeing how this works. So describe. So we've got command describe whitelist. List your Minecraft account. Async. Okay. I have clearly broken this. So we're going to go back to what we were working with. Client keep tree command. I do not care about this. We're going to leave it on the default stuff here. But we're going to do Minecraft whitelist text to send. So we're doing that. I'm going to save this. Control K, Control C. Okay. Run it. Shouldn't fail. It's not failed. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is slash. It needs to be slash send because I'm doing it on the send command. And I'm going to do. Okay, so that's passed it all the way through. Okay, so that's worked because it's ran the code for here. That's fine. Okay. Now, right now, this technically means you could whitelist anyone and it wouldn't be tied to you. And I don't want that, but I want to just get it working. Because I'm going to have a log of this right now anyway, I think. So that's fine. I don't want it to be called. Can I do whitelist and then change this to user to whitelist? User to whitelist. User to whitelist. User to whitelist. Username to whitelist in Minecraft. So if I do that, so all I've done is just change the name of a couple of variables and it's failed. In command whitelist to find... What? Is it because... No. I'm just going to call it PP poo poo test. There we go. It's something specifically to do with the word whitelist. I cannot use the word whitelist there. It's not going any further though. It's just stuck at login on a static token. And the bot isn't responding either. Why is it not responding? Okay. Command name is invalid. Okay, so we go back and we refer to the original. So... Failed to upload commands to Discord. HTTP status 400. Wait, what's HTTP status 400? Bad request. Something's malformed here. Is it the capitalization? Would be dumb. It's the capitalization. My god, seriously? Discord doesn't allow you to have capitalization? Where does it get the name PP Poo Poo? It gets it from there. Fuck. And I can't call it a whitelist without it breaking. And it errored. Oh fuck yeah, because user whitelist is no longer defined. Because I've renamed it. Yeah, that's fine. These can be, I need to delete all these anyway. So, if it can only be small characters, can I put an underscore in? Okay. I think we're good. I think that's all I need to do to get this to work. Oh god. I actually do genuinely believe that's it. Now the real question would be to get Zevo to send me his Minecraft username so I could actually try adding him and checking the server logs for Minecraft, because I literally can't do anything. Oops. Yeah, I can see the Archon thread starting up and stopping. So that is a good sign. But at the same time, I want to see it actually verifying me. But the fact that the Archon is being triggered means it's probably going through. I just want to make sure the variable is getting passed correctly. Oh god. So the next question would be... delete message. I'm going to delete all my messages. I think Fane might be around. I'm actually asking someone to do it if they're around and available. I hate how everyone on Discord uses Do Not Disturb as a way of just turning off notifications. And it's just like, guys, please don't do that. I actually do need to know if you're there or not. Do I just unwhitelist myself? Again? Oh, I think I'm just gonna unwhitelist myself. Okay, I've unwhitelisted myself. It works. It works. Okay. Now, what I need to do is verify what channel it's coming from and verify they have the right perms. But that'll be a lot easier. Okay. So now we get to like put stuff together to make this actually work. So this is our working copy. Can I check to see? Okay. Discord py check channel command was issued in. Commands. Yeah, I've done all those parameters. I just care. Okay. Oh. Yeah, so how to do this bit? So I don't care about the context menu, I don't care about the context menu. I want it to be a command. Which is fine. Don't care about that. Other transforms include regular type hints are supported by Discord. Examples of these include... Okay, this command shows how to only show text in voice channels to a user using the union type hint combined with voice channel. I don't care about showing them it. I want to know where it was invoked from. So this has been okay. Check role ID. Check channel. If both true. If false. So this is what I need to do. I don't know who. Can I just find out the user? Okay, so how do I use this then? So we've got. No. I just want to know. Is it just app underscore commands dot how am I supposed to? No, this is not what I'm looking for. No, that's not it either. Oh my god. Okay, so maybe. Don't I even need that? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I hate it because I have to log out and in every single fucking time I need to do this. Okay, so that's given me something, and that has given me the channel ID. Okay, so this is how I interact with it. Perfect. Okay, I know how to. I actually now know how to do what I want to do. Oh, this is actually big. This is not even big if true. This is just big. If interaction ID equals, is it coming back as a string or as an integer? I would assume integer. Role ID check. This is not role. This is channel ID check equals true, and I'm using the wrong one there. I'm meant to be doing that. I'm just gonna set this to false right here. equals false, and then role ID check equals false. I'm just going to define them at the start so that I don't need to define them again. Why is this expected? Wait, was it expecting? Oh, it's expecting that. Yeah, I keep forgetting because I don't use these. And then if interaction dot. Okay, that one's going to take a little minute, but first I should actually put these the right way around. Like the very first thing I care about is the role. The role is the most important thing here. Anyway, that's channel ID. Interaction. Can I do interaction.context? Okay. And now I need to do a print user roles. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment that out for now, because then I can just send garbage data and I don't need to care about the data that I send. So once again, slash whitelist. Okay, so role ID at everyone, role ID Palm World. That's the one that I need. So I just need to iterate through it and just check. Okay. I think this is a dictionary. How do you check the type of something in Python? Check type of variable Python. How does it determine a Python's variable type? Use the type built-in function. I'm just gonna comment this out as well because that's can I just do type? No. Okay, that's fine. Don't really care. Yeah, because you can see location Europe. These are all the roles that I've got. Streamer, VTuber, Game Lethal Company, Game Overwatch, Game Apex Legends, Admin. Like this is so... That's all the roles that I've got, right? Admin, Apex Legends, Overwatch, Lethal Company, VTuber, Streamer. Yeah, that's all I've got. Okay. So now if I do slash whitelist... It didn't return anything. Do I need to put that in a print? I guess I need to put that in a print. Literally developing in live. Let's go. Go. So do that, do this, do this. Literally developing in live. Class list. Okay. That's easy. It's just a list. Okay. Python list. This just works like an array, doesn't it? Let's see. Yeah. There are 4 types of built-in. Yeah, so I can just do an list items are indexed. The first item has index 0 based. When we say list of order, it means items have a defined order and order will not change. That's fine. I guess it's because it's... Yeah, okay, so I'm going to need to know how long it is. And then I need to iterate through it. Is it a list of lists? That'd be really dumb. No. It's literally just... it's spitting this out. Shit. That is actually kind of annoying, because... Actually, no, it is a list of lists. Okay, this is going to be a little bit confusing, but I can work this out. Okay. Let me put that up there. And I'm going to remove this. Okay. So, while. Okay, so it's actually not while. It's for... I'm just going to do for I in user roles. For I in... Okay. I'm just going to do that just now. Just to see if it crashes. No, it didn't. No, it did. That did not return what I expected it to return. Do you know why it didn't? It crashed. List indices must be integers or slices, not roll. Okay. So that's fine. I do actually need to define its length here. That's fine. So that's range, length, user roles, close, close. It believes it's still Discord still believes it's still connected because it never cleanly quit. But we're getting there. We're actually slowly getting there. I'm actually... You know what? I thought I'd be a lot worse at this on stream than I have been. I'm actually not doing that bad in my opinion. Like, all things fucking considering. You know, I won't log in. We're just gonna stop and we're just gonna have to wait a minute or two. I wish I could do this without actually having to connect onto Discord, but I need to connect onto Discord to get the information that I need. I just need the previous session to time out. Dude, we're just gonna stop. Like, okay, what's the time right now? 23:06. So at 23:08 we'll reconnect. Dude, is it already 23? Shit, I need to go to bed soon. I've got work in the morning and it's Wednesday tomorrow. So that's office day. I do really want to get this working though before I want to get this working before tomorrow so that when if anyone wants to whitelist themselves and go on and test some things, they can. Like, I want to go fairly hands-off with this at a certain point. Obviously not right now, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, so every single crash is bad. Okay. Crap. Iterate it through the list on the wrong thing. I want you to iterate through on IDs. Shit. Can I do that? I hate dealing with what are we using right now for this? Interaction users dot role. User dot role. And we're doing the method is that a method? I don't think that is a method. User. No, that's not what I'm looking for. So okay. I just want to know how this gets sent to the user. Oh, to me. The application command permission type. The permission is for a role. The permission is for one or all channels. The permission is for a user. How do I use this? Is it really just as simple as app underscore commands dot role? No, I think this is a app command permission type. App command. No. How do I use this? What can I do here? Okay, I think I found it. It's app command permissions. I don't care about the guild out. Do we need another dot on this? Um, I know, where's the channel? There's the channel one. So... what happens if I run this? Is it going to crash? Yes, it is. Okay. Member descriptor object is not callable. Huh? Oh, I thought I found an easy way to do it there, to make it not appear in other channels. Member descriptor object is not callable. Line 48. Maybe go back to that code example. See if there's a... does it have it open in another place? Oh my god, I've got so many tabs open now. I just want to... client tree, context menu, show. Okay. Yeah, because I can do an app command, that command rename text to send is text. Okay. I might actually want to do rename on this anyway. So... I still show us whitelist Minecraft. That shows up as whitelist though. If I can find out where this bit is in the docs, maybe I can understand it a bit better then. Okay, so... When this decorator is used, a default user must have these permissions to execute the command. However, an administrator can change the permissions needed to execute this command using the official client, therefore it only serves as a hint. Setting an empty permissions field, including calling this via no arguments, will disallow anyone except the server administrator from using the command in a guild. This is sent to the server side. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Discard PY. Only allow commands to be used with specific role. How old is this? 1 year, 7 months. Why is it not using commands? So can I do at app underscore commands dot has role? Oh. Attempting a reconnect, must have lost connection. Control C just for safety. Command name. Adding over stuff admin only command. Command has permissions administrator equals true. I don't want to do it like that. I want it to be done based off of. Thank you. A check that adds has to check. A string is specified, you must give the exact name. The energy is specified, you must give the exact snowflake ID of the role. If the message is invoked in a private message, then the check will return as false. Okay. Has role. The role is this. Okay. I'm gonna leave that there though, in case I need it. care about that. Has roll. You know what? I'm gonna still leave the channel check-in. So, Control K, Control C. I swear, trying to find what I'm looking for right now. I thought that was the solution. Is it app underscore command? It's app underscore commands. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can get this one now then. Okay, so okay, do I just put it in the command name description? Wait, can I just define something in here like name equals Minecraft whitelist? I'm just gonna do whitelist and then comma. Well, that might fix a different problem, but that's not going to fix the big problem that we have. This is actually the exact same thing I've just been reading. God damn. Hey, that's what I'm supposed to be learning in class. Ugh. Dude, I hate the... This should be simple! Fetch command, error, fetch commands. I don't learn anything though, damn. Sucks to suck, I guess. Dude, how do I get it to just do something based off of a role? It can't be... It's got to be defined somewhere, right? Okay, I'm gonna look up to see what's in the official Discord API. Discord API command. Is this even possible? Registering command. Your app cannot have two... Okay, I don't care. Yeah, that's fine. Contexts. Interaction contexts. Interaction context for a command determines in the Discord client if it can be used. It can only be configured in the context field when creating or updating a command. Okay. Guild bot DM private chat. Oh, that kind of context. Application command permissions are on app to enable disable commands for up to 100 users, roles, or channels within a guild. Command permission can be updated by users and client if they have the necessary permissions. A command's current permissions can be retrieved using this. Okay. So I can give it to a specific role by the looks of it. So how would I use this? Locations, application ID, guilds, guild ID, commands, command, permissions. Fish permissions. What? Anyway, how am I doing? I am confused to all hell at the moment, trying to figure this out by reading documentation that I barely understand. Uh... At least I'm getting back into it. I was never into it in the first place. This is not the kind of stuff I've ever worked on before. I don't even know what an async is. Not Discord.js. Oh, that's a completely wrong thing I'm looking at. I should probably make Discord PY one thing. So commands has permission. Doesn't exist, does it? It doesn't seem to exist. Okay, so that's not gonna work. So at app commands dot and if I just do another dot, it's like guild ID permission. I think I really need to use this one. So do I just... Hold on. Do I just do... Oh, that's... That doesn't work, but if we do app commands, app command permissions, and then we just pass it that ID. We don't specify anything. We just pass it that. I think I need to pass both the guild and the ID. Oh. So guild is equal to my guild, because that's the only guild we're working with. ID equals that. And then we need one for type equals... No, type. Type. The type of permission types. So do I just do type? Do I put it in there like that? No, that's invalid. Do I just do type equals? No, role is not... This is why I don't know how to interact with this one. Like it's... Positional argument cannot appear after keyword arguments. Just put type here at the start. Type equal to role. No. Type role. No. Name. I don't know how to use this. This is... Oh my god. Oh god. Okay, so attributes, guild, ID, target. Type permission. You've encouraged you to do your coding assignment. Oh, I'm glad I can do something from this. No, this actually does have a benefit. Once I can figure out how to do this one little bit. App command permission type. Is that... Okay, so do I? Okay, okay. I might actually be dumb here. Hold on. We're gonna get rid of this and do app commands dot app command permissions type. No. What do they make it look like? Else if is app command permission type dot role. Type object or name, basis or dictionary, type object, the object's type, and new type. This is because it's empty. I think I'm actually looking at the source code of this at the moment. Yes, I am. Okay, that's fine. This is fine. Okay, so self type, permission type, try enum at permission type data type. So application command permissions type guild state connection state none. Connection state guild, that's fine. If type is .user .channels .role. Self-target ID, self-target value. Wait, return type, value type. No, I want this. That's fine. It's not gonna be in here. It's in here a couple of times. Oh, no, it's not. That's just from the previous page. It's not in here. Not in here either. Only appears in this document. So if it only appears in here. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna ignore that for now and just see what happens. Unexpected keyword argument ID. Python line 47. It's this one. App commands, app command permission, guild, my guild, ID, this. Got an unexpected keyword argument ID. Not expecting ID? ID is an int. That's an int. The special guild ID -1 is used to represent all channels. This is like... Why? Has permissions, not role. Line 50. Wait, right? Line 50. File. What's wrong with this? Wait, this must be all lowercase. But it is all lowercase. Huh? No Legend of Zelda Lo-Fi today, nothing that you just use play Legend of Zelda music. Right now this is Zelda music. This is Rito Village from Tears of the Kingdom. Also, it's actually just because that's like some of the... It's just because I'm not going to get hit with content ID claims on that. Likely. Okay. Home. Line 49. Async def, whitelist Minecraft. Is it because that was a capital W? Yes, it was because that was a capital W in my string. Okay. Oh, fuck me. Okay. Whitelist. Then a command. I went through. I do not care. I'm now going to take the roll off of me. And it crashed. Roll is required to run this command. That's good. It crashed. That's fine. Now can I give myself the roll back and will the program just pick up from that? Or has it actually completely crashed? It just picked back up. It's done. That is the one line of code that I needed. Nonce. Flash whitelist. Oh shit, I actually whitelisted someone. Keck. I need to actually fix that. Ah, shit. Shit. I'm not using dummy data anymore. It actually doesn't look like it whitelisted anyone. Whitelist and remove that. That player does not exist. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. It works. It works. It fucking works. Oh my god, it works. How long have I been... I've been doing this for 3 hours to get a basic Discord bot working, but it works. My god. It works. I'm done. Yippee. Okay. Unfortunately, still a couple of things I need to do, but this is now in the territory of I just need to, yeah. To be perfectly honest, I'm starting to understand what some of this stuff does now, even though the majority of this is just copy and pasted from the, thing. I'm starting to get it a little bit, which is not too bad. This is purely written by me. This is what it looks like when I write something. Oh god. But yeah, there's more things I want to add to this, but right now, this is all that I need. Actually, you know what? We even need that. The only thing I want to do is I'm going to make this part of copy. No, don't copy texture. I just want to copy the ID. Copy channel ID. Boop. I may as well at least have my get if server up here. And all we need to do is... Oh yeah, I need this to actually return something. I'm just gonna have it return true and... Easy enough. I'll just deal with it as if it's that. Return variable in Python. How did I get this? I just, yeah. How does return in Python? I just want to make sure I do this correctly. Yep. Return 0, return... Do these need a... Oh, do I just do... Yeah, tell me I don't need that. Okay, so... Define function, return func2. Okay. Where's func1 called? Func1 is called here. It passes in 100. Print the value of a minus b is x50. Okay, give me it in a simpler words. Okay, def mean sample returns. Oh my god. Wait. Shit, it might be called something else in Python. Yeah, okay. So no, this is exactly what I think it is. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I understand how returns work. How do I write it in Python? Okay, so return that. Okay. Do I just... Okay, I'm just gonna have to guess how to write this. ALIF. Okay, so with this one, I want to return await interaction response. Server is up. Actually, should I also get player numbers? Nah, I'm literally just... No, I do get stats though. If ping client server up is equal to true. Oh, because I don't actually set it. Yeah. No, I'll do that another time. I don't want to do that just now. And then here, I'm not paying attention, chat. I'm in the zone. I should probably have said that like 5 minutes ago. Okay. Unknown parameter given. Line 68. I love doing this. So, what's wrong with this? Where this works? Let's just do that and see what it returns. It logs in. Okay. Not what I'm looking for. But we'll control C that, and then we go back to the examples. Dude, I've been going to these examples like all fucking night. Okay, so client tree command. Oh, do I not? No, I need it to at least do the check. I keep trying to drag my VS Code window because it's full screen. And I don't work full screen normally. Do I? Type error. That's fine. Do this and then do this. Okay. So now if I go into here, and I go into here, and I do slash server status, server is up. Anyone can currently do that. Okay, so let's undo this and remove this one and run it. This is another thing again where it doesn't connect. Oh god. Okay. Okay, so then is it this scribe one that's causing the problem? Answer, probably yes. It works right up until now. Yeah. So why does the scribe break on this one? I know why it is. Capital letter, wasn't it? No. Oh, it wasn't the capital letter. Oh yeah, because these ones have capital letters in it, and that's fine. Server status equals. So even though it's saying it's line 61, it's not actually line 61. It's something to do with this line here, line 60. Extract parameters from callback. Extract parameters from callback. Populate descriptions. Result description. I think I understand why now. Cool. Slash. Cool. Right. Okay. I'm ending it there. We have a working thing. They can check the status. They can whitelist themselves. And it's only available to users with the correct role. That's the main thing. We don't go any further. It's running. I am not going to touch it. And I need to launch this on... Wait, why is this... What was not saved about that? I have to reboot it now. Okay, I don't care then. It's fine. Right, delete message, delete message, delete message, dismiss message, and delete message. And I need to delete all of these messages. I also need to give it something... I need to give it a different avatar as well at some point. Right now it's just using a random image off my desktop, which is of Senko. Because, of course, I'm using Senko. Oh, but it's working. Okay. So everything's saved. So the only thing I need to do now, Control C. I'm actually now going to just get rid of this because we don't need this anymore. Because I'm coming out of VS Code now. I'm going to do stuff in a terminal and I'm not sharing the terminal. So what I now need to do is streaming tools at Pi-hole. Helps if I put SSH in front of it. And then I put in the password. Does this have sudo? Do I have sudo on this account? Sudo apt? We trust that you've received the usual lecture from the local system administrator. It usually boils down to these three things. Respect the privacy of others. Think before you type. With great power comes great responsibility. I'm literally the administrator. And it's not in the sudoers file. Great. That's fine. I'll log in with my actual admin account. That's probably good that that doesn't have, yeah, this one. Sudo apt update Y. Come on. I probably have a lot of packages to update. 71 packages to update. Yep, that sounds about right. This one's not been updated in a while. Oh god. It's just I don't have a routine of going onto systems and doing that. Hey, look, it's me. I'm big. Ah. But yeah, as soon as this is updated, I can install one bit of software that I need. Okay, I'm gonna do an... Let's come off of this client. I'm gonna exit the terminal because I don't need this one anymore. Server's running. Yeah, server's running. 5 gigs of RAM's being used. That's fine. Leave this terminal. I don't need it anymore. So all I've got now is the 2 terminals that I need. Oh god. There's no point in me showing this. I'm literally just staring at Unpacking Perl 5.32.1. I literally don't even think I have something installed in this device that uses Perl. It just comes by default. This is why on all my other systems I run as servers, I run bare bones Debian. And then I have to install basic utilities. But at least then I have the bare minimum. I don't have bloat. No, this can't be real. This is a thing right now from okay, let me close down all these things that I do not need open anymore. While that stuff's all running in the background, supposedly Destroyer 2009 has done a new funny. So let's do with this knowledge as we will. Is this actually Destroyer 2009? Yeah, it's just like, so the Twitch chat came into my chat 1 hour ago under Destroyer 2009 name, threatening new content in 1 hour. And 1 hour later, the EA servers take a huge dump. New content coming in 1 hour. This is an automated message by random and Destroyer 2009. Oh god. So, did they actually? Yep. They took a huge dump. Heck fucking W. Yeah, the game is... Wait. No, it's Steam. It'll be Steam because it's a Tuesday. It's maintenance day. Wait, no, but then all the other servers are also supposedly affected. Huh? Oh, it might actually be Apex. Shit. That's actually kind of funny. Anyway, what's the Steam stats looking like? It's had a small effect, but not that big of an effect. This, supposedly, yeah, there's the drop off there when Steam actually went down. So it happened a while ago. Anyway, let me hide that window capture. And by hide, I mean delete. Okay, so now I need to do sudo apt install screen. Is screen even supported on this device? Looks like it is. Okay, so now we have screen running. The bot is not running. So all I need to do is cd palm world ls screen py python discord bot.py. Control A, Control D. Well, just Control A and then D, not Control D. The bot is now running. I can go into that session at any time, kill it if I need to. Let's look at Htop. Oh, there's my Htop. Can I sort by, where is it? Sort by user. I love Htop. Htop is my favorite, yeah. VS Code server, VS Code server, VS Code server. Oh, this is VS Code server. There's Python. Why is it running in 3 different processes? Probably just the way Python's handling it, because it's technically 3 scripts working together. Yeah, there. Oh, there's the screen for it as well. Yeah, so that's the main process. Okay. Cool. Well, there we go. There's a Discord bot. It's running. People on the server can now whitelist themselves and just start playing whenever they feel like. As long as they have the IP address and they can whitelist themselves, then they're good to go. Although, to be fair, I am not opening this until Friday. So, I'm probably just going to give them access to whitelisting themselves at the moment. No. Yeah, I can just give them access to whitelist themselves at the moment and only let a few people in with the information. That makes sense. Anyway, that was actually productive. I'm going to code on stream more often because if I code on stream, I have to force myself to finish it. I can't just get up and walk away because I'm also streaming. This will work out better than I thought. Anyway, have fun. I'm off. Bye-bye. No stream tomorrow. It's Wednesday. I don't stream Wednesdays normally. Maybe stream. Probably won't. Right. Bye-bye.